Hi, and welcome to the battery shop. This 2013 Hyundai Genesis Coupe has its 12-volt battery located here under the hood. It's up against the firewall and sort of behind this drifting bar, so before you begin a battery replacement project on a vehicle like this, we recommend that you check with the vehicle manufacturer's step-by-step instructions found in the service or repair manual to be sure you're familiar with the project, you don't forget anything, you have everything you need, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in a vehicle like this. Let's get started. The first step is to loosen and remove the fasteners for the battery hold-down bracket, and you'll need your 12mm wrench for that. And remove the battery's hold-down bracket. Now with gloves and safety glasses on, the next step is to lift the positive battery terminal's protective cover. We recommend the use of a battery tender in order to keep the computer's memories alive as we replace the batteries in this vehicle. And you can attach the positive battery tender lead to the positive battery cable at this time. Then attach the negative lead of the battery tender to the negative battery cable. The next step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable, and you'll need a 10mm wrench for these fasteners. And remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. Then loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable, and then carefully remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. Now we can remove the old battery from the vehicle and install the replacement battery. Next, carefully replace the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these terminals on, as this may cause internal battery damage. And retighten the fastener. Then, carefully replace the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal. And retighten the fastener. Now we can remove the negative battery tender lead from the negative battery terminal, and then remove the positive battery tender cable. Now we can close the positive battery terminal's protective plastic cover and then reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket. And we're done.